back to my channel, Tasneem Fakhruddin. English has become the most prominent part of today's modern world. Most of the people are so much afraid of speaking English, thinking that it is a very difficult language. But trust me, it is not as difficult as you think. Because our human mind is the most powerful organ. It is designed in such a way that it can learn any kind of language very easily. Just it requires hard work and consistency. So today I want to share 4 basic skills of speaking fluent English. So these are the 4 basic skills that are L, S, R, W. Remember, L, S, R, W. L stands for listening, S stands for speaking, R stands for reading, and W stands for writing. So let's talk about first skill, that is listening. See, that is the difference between hearing and listening. Hearing means you are hearing anything without paying attention to it, and listening means you are hearing anything with full concentration and attention. So that is called listening. Means in this skill you have to follow that person to whom you admire most and to whom you think his or her English is perfect and his or her command over the language is wonderful. You have to follow that person. And if you don't want to follow any one person, so you can look up to many different kinds of person who speaks English really very well. But this thing you have to do daily. Daily for half an hour or 1 hour, you have to listen to that person who speaks really good, excellent English. And you have to listen it to the full concentration and full attention. That is listening, right? So you can listen to the person whose English is excellent. This is the one way of listening. Second way of listening, you can listen to any English movies. By there also you can learn to speak fluent English. Third is you can listen any English news channels. English news channel can also improve very much of your speaking skill. And if not these things, you can listen to any of the material but in English only. Any material in English. So these are the things by which you can improve and you can bring massive change in your speaking English. By listening to the person daily, by listening to English movies, or by listening to English news channels, or by listening any content of English, but it should be in English only and it should be done consistently, right? Second skill is speaking, but we will talk about this skill in the last, right? So next skill is reading skill, which is also very important skill. Reading means you have to read any kind of material, but it should be in English. It may be newspaper, it may be magazine, it may be newspaper, magazine, or any kind of article or any other thing, but it should be in English. So this will help you a lot to improve your English language, because reading skill will improve your vocabulary and your understanding that how the sentence is formed and what many other things are used to form a single sentence. So it will increase your knowledge about that kind of sentence. And the last skill is writing. This is also very important. All the 4 skills are very important to speak fluent English. Writing means you have to write in your diary in English only anything which you like. English only, anything which you like. Maybe your daily routine or you can write down on any topic. Whatever topic you like, so you can write down on that topic a paragraph or a page or a half page or more than half. Quantity doesn't mean, but quality means you have to write down, but it should be done regularly. Or you can maintain your diary also, where you can write your daily routine, that what happened with you till morning to night. So that can be described in your diary, but it should be in English. This will help you a lot. How? This will help you to know that how much you know about English. What is your level in that particular language. So these are the 4 skills. Now come back to the last skill, which is speaking. It is a very important skill, because the rest of the 3 skills, that is listening, reading and writing, we are doing for speaking only, because the most important matter is to speak fluent English. Means a person can listen, a person can read, a person can write, but when speaking comes forward, a person become embarrassed, a person will shaken off, his confidence will get loose, his courage will get stumble. So for that, this speaking matters the most, and the rest of the 3 skills for speaking only, and it can be done by regular practice. It can be done by regular, means you have to speak regularly. If you are a beginner, you can start with short type of sentences. Don't speak in the beginning only very long sentences which you can't form. Just start with short sentences, then something long, then after that you can speak any kind of a long sentence which you like. But from the beginning, start with short sentences and be regular in speaking. Means wherever you are, maybe at home, maybe at office, maybe at school, maybe at college, wherever are, and one doesn't matter what the environment is there. Maybe in Hindi, all your friends are speaking in Hindi, all your classmates are speaking Hindi. But besides that, just determine yourself that you have to speak in English only. It should be regular practice, because as you know that practice makes a man perfect. So if you do regular practice of speaking, so trust me, no one can stop you in this whole world to speak fluent English. It just requires little hard work and consistency. That's it. So these are the 4 skills which I explained to you. I hope that you will do practice regularly of these 4 skills. And